Hola, estudiantes! Hello, everyone! Today we're gonna start talking about our very first Spanish words that we're gonna focus on. So, first one, me llamo Señora Springstrode. Señora means Mrs., so me llamo Señora Springstrode. My name is Señora Springstrode. This is something that we're going to be using a lot, especially as I get to know you and we all get to know each other. So if someone were to ask you the question, ¿Cómo te llamas? Say that with me, ready? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas means what is your name? If someone were to ask you, ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? You would answer with me llamo and then your name. All right, say that one again with me as well. Me llamo means my name is. I would say me llamo Señora Springstrode. Me llamo Señora Springstrode. Señora is Mrs. Me llamo, my name is. However, if you're introducing someone else, instead of saying me llamo, you'd say se llama. Ready? Everyone say that with me. Se llama. So you would say se llama Ryder from Paw Patrol. Or you would say se llama mamá. Her name is Mom. Se llama Ryder. His name is Ryder. Okay? So, me llamo, my name is. Se llama, his or her name is. And then, ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? Now, we're going to be practicing this all together in a live game that I have scheduled for tomorrow or Tuesday if you're watching this video early. However, in order to play that game, what I need you each to do is you are going to create a name tag, and I know mine's kind of hard to see, but you are going to get a very official blank piece of paper. You are going to fold it in half so that you have a little tent. This is hard to see, but you have a tent so that it would stand up on a table or whatever. You're going to fold it in half, and in big black letters, bold letters, it doesn't have to be black, any color, you're going to write your name. So you would write Señora Springstrode. You would write Addie. You would write Connor. Whatever your name is, you're going to write that in then big bold letters. And then around your name, what you're going to do is you're going to draw something that you like. So I like pizza. Me gusta pizza. And so I very artistically drew lots of little pizzas. Now I know you guys are all so much more artistic and so much more creative than I am. So I'm expecting some artwork here. I know you can do it. So you'll write your name in big bold letters and then you'll draw something you like. Now I want you to keep it very simple. Keep it to one thing. So I like pizza. I like dogs. I like basketball. Something very simple, and something that you can draw. You don't have to write the word, you just have to draw a picture of it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to play a game, practicing each other's names and practicing what people like. So I would say, me llamo Señora Springstrode, me gusta pizza. We're going to be practicing that in the next couple days. So you're going to create a name tag and you're going to include those two things, your name and what you like. Now that we're talking about what you like, let's scroll down to that. So I want everyone to repeat, me gusta. Okay, so you would say, me gusta. Say it with me. Me gusta. Me gusta. So I would say, me gusta pizza. You can see my very artistic pizza there, very detailed. Me gusta pizza. Or you could say, me gusta macaroni. I like macaroni. Me gusta basketball. I like basketball. Me gusta basketball. Me gusta pizza. Or you could, maybe it's your favorite TV show. Me gusta Paw Patrol. Me gusta Mickey Mouse. Something. Me gusta. Repite. What does repite mean? Repite means repeat. So when I say repite, you're going to say it too. Repite. Me gusta. Okay, so me gusta pizza. Me llamo Señora Springstrode. Me gusta pizza. So me gusta means I like. Le gusta means he or she likes. So remember before we said se llama Connor. His name is Connor. Se llama Connor y le gusta chocolate. His name is Connor and he likes chocolate. Se llama Connor, le gusta chocolate. Se llama Amelia, le gusta los tacos. Se llama Amelia y le gustan los tacos. Her name is Amelia and she likes tacos. So you are going to come to our live session on Tuesday with this. A name tag, a name tag with your name in big bold letters, just your first name, I don't need your last name, your name in big bold letters, and then a drawing of something that you like. And I'd like you to practice with your family saying me llamo, my name is, and me gusta. Let's one more time say that together. Ready? Me llamo, me gusta. My name is, I like. And then on Tuesday, we'll be practicing those words together. I will see you all then. Hasta luego!